But who would have known that by the grace of God, we are gathered here with one purpose? It all started with one invitation for a divine worship special song. At that time, we were so blessed because we saw how eager and how willing each other was. So, we decided to continue this ministry with one core value, that is, willingness to commit. I am very blessed and I'm very happy to say that this choir started and is built through friendship. This is not the end, this is just the beginning. We have other ministries in mind, and as our church family, we need your support. Please pray for us that we may not lose sight of why we started this ministry in the first place. And please bear with us if we come knocking at your door, because we also want for you to be a part of this ministry. This next song is a reminder. We've all faced challenges where it seemed like the mountain is too high, the storm too strong, and the answer is just too far away. But this afternoon, we declare a truth that shakes all doubt. Our God is not only able, He is also willing. He is the same God who parted the Red Sea, who shut the lion's mouth, and who raised the dead. And we know that He is the same God yesterday, today, and forevermore. So as we sing, please, don't just sing. Don't just listen. Claim it. That whatever burdens you carry, what battles you're fighting right now, remember this: God can and He will.